Good morning kids. Today we are celebrating Pink Color Day and we are going to make flamingo with the help of hand print. Now what you need for this? You need a drawing sheet, pink color, brush, brown color for legs and black sketch pen to make eyes. Now what you have to do? See, take a pink color like this. Apply it in your hand like this. Put little bit. See, and apply it properly in your hand. See, like this. Okay. Apply it properly. Then what you have to do after that? See, you are applying like this. Apply it properly so that the print of your hand should be proper on drawing sheet. And print it on drawing sheet and press it properly so that all the print of your fingers and palms should get it on your drawing paper. Now remove it. See, now don't worry, if it is not printed properly, you can do the finishing after with brush. Take pink color on the next hand like this. Apply it properly. Same process we have to do as we have done in that hand. See, same process. See, now you have to apply, print it here. Yes, and press it properly so that the print should be proper. Now see how beautiful your handprint is. Apply the remaining color like this. Now what you have to do? Take a brush. Use pink color. Dip it in pink color and make a rest part of the flamingo, that is neck and face. Now how you are going to make? See, like this. Okay, make a thick neck, long thick neck, as flamingo have long neck and little bit face in a round shape. Okay, see this, and you can use the rest of the color to do the finishing work. Here you can do. See how beautiful it have come. Now same you have to do with the other one. See, take it brush and make a round and thick neck. Okay, round and thick neck. See how beautiful it have turned. Now do the finishing work. See, as some of the part is not printed properly, so you can do the finishing work with brush also. It's not an issue. So this is how. Now what you have to do? See, this thumb print, from thumb print take out little bit brown color like this for a leg, legs, and draw a slanting line like this. Draw a slanting like this for a leg of flamingo. Then from this part draw a straight line. See, this is the leg of flamingo, dancing flamingo actually. This is dancing flamingo. Two flamingo are dancing and sharing their joy with each other. So see, and then do the same process with this one also. Now one leg here also. join it. Okay, so it can be seen as a dancing position of flamingo. Flamingo loves to dance. Okay, now this is done. Now what is missing here? Flamingo beak. So let your color dry properly, then you can go for a beak. See, and color it properly. Beak is missing. These both flamingo are sharing their joy with each other. Can you see? Now, can you see how beautiful it had turned out? Now, take a black sketch pen and put small little dot here to get a eye. So it will give a finishing to your painting. Okay? See how beautiful a flamingo is turned. Right? Now what you can do here? You can decorate the border of this and gift it to your love and dear ones as a happy Diwali card, as a birthday card, whatever you like to do, you can write it and gift it to your near and dear one. Thank you children. Hope you have enjoyed this painting.